or how you can segment the given image using the R2U-Net segmentation model. Because as of you know, R2U-Net is one of the image segmentation model, very familiar for utilizing the medical images, maybe CT scan, anything. For this tutorial, we are going to see how you can uh, test the given image and visualize the given image where the tumor or cyst highlighted with the blue color like that. So R2U-Net come under the category of semantic segmentation and generally consists of a recurrent and encoder decoder similar to the unit here. Here initially what we are to do for this process, for perform kidney segmentation, we are going to initialize the necessary libraries with the help of Python. After this one, NumPy for numerical operation, then we are going to utilize the recurrent block as we already discussed about the alternate basic architecture in the previous session. You can check the playlist when you head out. So we are going to initialize the one and use the convolution layer, batch normalization layer followed by ReLU activation layer here. Then we can use the forward function and then we can use the RRCN block, because once compared to the normal unit, this alternate is special because it support future use and future representation also. And then you are using the RRCN block, then using the initial function, then forward function, and we are going to replace the alternate. So alternate here consists of RRCN and max pooling and upsampling and forward function again and pre-pass the image. So initially if I already show it, so we are whatever the image we have to pre-process need for remove the noise. Once everything done, we can convert the image to a size of 256 followed by 256 here. For that also we are applying the code here, and then we are going to check. I am going to use the complete R2U-Net model for segmenting the given image and load the model. Then we are going to give the path, that is, because if you want to execute the exercise, you can I have image already, you can you can download save in the G drive, then you can give the connect. Okay, the my drive variable image is there. I have just check the tumor image. Then we are going to set the path as I have default option is there. Then we are going to highlight with apply blue color. That reason with the code original is equal to image.cp of numpy of 0,0, and then we are going to 255 like that, and we are going to highlight the value. For highlight we are writing the code highlight is equal to cv dot add weighted of read underscore overlay. Then we are going to visualize. So visualize and display the given image. We need support of this code like plt dot subplot and original JPEG image. Then like that we can give the things, and at last you execute. So once execute, it display the information. So display the visual image, that is visual copy of the image, that is with the normal with the tumor, and highlight the segment area, highlight the blue. Let's executing one more time for better understanding. So simple one. So R2U is one of the advanced deep learning model where helpful to segment the medical images. It may be a complicated CT scan or anything. Here we discuss about the how you can visualize the kidney image, how it will be segmented with blue color. Yeah. So this is the one. Yeah. Unfortunately, some network issue. Otherwise, show the blue color. So it is a normal image, tumor image. It's a tumor image segmented with R2U-Net here. So I hope that you have idea about what is R2U-Net and what we need. And apart from this, you know many things about the R2U-Net, because it contains skip connections, because these are helpful to link the encoder with the corresponding decoder here. And the purpose of skip connection is preserve the fine-grained spatial details and reduce information loss due to pooling, as well as improve localization accuracy also. So and output, at last we will get the output as a 1/1 convolution where followed with the sigmoid function also. So I hope that today class you understand or today understand how you can segment the given image, that means a kidney image, from the CT KATS dataset, and you can view the result as segmented area. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.